What are the best budget colleges and universities? If you're looking for an affordable college, an affordable college degree, that's exactly what we're going to be talking about in today's video. Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a two-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how. All right, so budget colleges, affordable universities, where do we go? What do we look for? Which schools are best? Is there one school that's better than all the others? I will tell you this, okay? Everybody's different. We're all going to college for different things. We're all learning different things. We're all getting different types of degrees. And guess what? Not every college is great at everything, right? Some colleges are great for business school. Other colleges are great for medical school. So there is going to be a bit of uniqueness while you're trying to find your budget school, because I don't know what you're going to school for, but here's what I am going to do, okay? I am going to show you exactly step by step what you need to do to find the most affordable school you can possibly find. Okay, so number one, we're going to jump over to my computer screen, and I'm going to show you a really, really cool resource, okay? When you go to buy a car, you don't just go to the first place and purchase a car, right? You go to dealership A, dealership B, dealership C, and you maybe find some third-party sellers. You decide which car you want, and you find out who's offering the most affordable price or the best deal, right? Did you know you can do the same thing with college? You can price shop college. But if you call them on the phone and ask how much they cost, you don't always get straight answers. They don't talk about hidden fees and taxes and all this stuff, right? And who wants to call college after college after college asking how much it costs to be a student at the college? Yes, you should learn those things. You should never enroll in college if you don't know how much it's going to cost. But there are better resources to find out what school costs, okay? Now, this is a resource called Online U, okay? It's their list of accredited online colleges and universities. That doesn't mean just only online. It means colleges that have online programs as well, okay? If we scroll down here, there's a massive list of accredited schools with online programs and how much they cost per year in tuition. Literally price comparisons for all these colleges, and you can go page after page after page, and it's all in alphabetical order. And there are really, really prestigious schools, and I mean there are tons and tons of schools that are highly accredited all across the country and how much they cost. As you can see, there's these little piggy bank icons next to the most affordable colleges. Do you want to go to something that costs $50,000 a year or $7,000 a year? The choice is yours, but you can find out how much each school costs right here using this list. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link below so you can access this list and use it for yourself. So step number one when you're searching for an affordable budget college is price shop, okay? Here's your price shopping resource. I'll leave it below. That is step number one. Just like anything else, when you're shopping for, food items at the grocery store, if there's two items and they're the same thing, you get the one that's on sale, right? This will allow you to do that, okay? Step number two, okay? Step number two is find an online program. And if you're thinking, no way in heck, I'm not going to school online, that's okay. You don't have to. Right here, right now, I'm telling you the cheapest, best budget ways to attend college, okay? And going to school online is cheaper. It is more affordable than going and sitting in a classroom for 4 years, okay? A lot of universities let you attend online, their online programs, and your diploma literally does not say online. It looks exactly the same as someone that sat in the classroom for 4 years. So step number two, budget schools, okay, online programs are in general cheaper than going to school, sitting in the classroom in person. Okay, so step one, price shop. Step two, be open to going to school online. Okay, step number three, okay, the most affordable colleges and universities you will ever find are called competency-based education programs. What that means is that the college or university will allow you to test out of classes. Okay, if you can test out of a class in a week, you don't have to be in the class for a full semester, right? And it doesn't cost as much. Okay, if you enroll in a semester and instead of earning 12 credits, you earn 50 credits, you don't have to pay as much because you're earning more credits in a smaller amount of time. So being able to test out of your classes will save you a whole lot of money. Find a competency-based program at your chosen college or university. There are very prestigious schools that offer competency-based programs. You just have to call the school and ask them, do you have any competency-based programs? Can I test out of my classes? Which of your programs are competency-based? And take that approach. So yes, it does take some digging and stuff like that. So competency-based is number three because you can test out of your classes, graduate faster, save a whole bunch of money. Number four, okay? Number four is to find a school that offers flat rate tuition. Flat rate tuition. What that means, what a lot of colleges and universities do is they say, okay, we charge $10,000 a semester or whatever it is, $10,000 a semester, and that buys you 12 to 18 credits. But anything extra you earn on top of that, guess what? You have to pay extra for. Flat rate tuition is different. Flat rate tuition is you pay for a time frame, a semester, okay? Whether it's 4 months or 6 months or it depends on the school. You pay for that time frame and as many classes as you can finish in that time frame, that's included in the tuition cost that you've already paid. So if instead of earning 12 credits in a semester, you earn 65 credits in a semester, guess what? It's literally the exact same price. Flat rate tuition can save you a lot of money, especially if you can graduate faster. So those are the 4 things, in my opinion, that will save you the very most money at a given college or university. Now, having said all these things, graduating faster takes particular techniques and you have to know how to do it. So if you find the perfect school that's competency-based and offers flat rate tuition, but then you only earn 12 credits a semester, guess what? You're going to pay for 4 or 5 years of school. If you'd like to learn how to test out of all your classes for a small fraction of the price and be able to graduate in 6 to 12 months or as little as 6 to 12 months, go to diplomasecrets.com. I'll leave a link below. You can watch a free training where I literally walk you through step by step each step of degree hacking and what you need to do. Like I said, the video is free. You can go to diplomasecrets.com and learn more about that. Now, I will tell you this, make sure whatever college you choose is regionally accredited. Regional accreditation is important. If you're shopping for a bottom barrel budget college or university, if they are not regionally accredited, guess what? That diploma does not mean as much as if you graduated from a more prestigious regionally accredited school. There are really, really high quality regionally accredited online programs in the country. You just have to know where to find them. I hope this helps. So shop for regional accreditation, shop for competency-based university, flat rate tuition. If you need my help, you can book a call with me for free and I can help you find a college or university that will be a good fit for you, okay? That will basically fall into the same criteria that I've been talking about today. But in order for me to help you find it, I need to know what are you going to school for? What are you wanting to study? What type of degree are you wanting to earn? Then I can help you. If you would like to take me up on that free call, watch the video that I linked to below diplomasecrets.com. At the end of that video, you'll have the opportunity to book a call with me for free. Hope this helps. I hope that this video literally saves you tens of thousands of dollars and helps you find a college or university that's more affordable and that is a good fit for you. I'm happy to help if you need it. If you'd like to see more videos like this on how to graduate faster, how to save a whole bunch of money on tuition, all sorts of things like that, just click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. And guess what? You're going to start seeing more videos just like this in your video feed. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.